This is how to grow plants indoors using only grow lights, because sometimes you might not want them to be right out here in the freezing cold in winter. So in my room, I have a total of 3 grow lights. I have the main one that provides good light to everything, and then my secondary one, which is taken off from my hydroponic setup to be over here, so that it can also work with the other part of the hydroponic setup, but also provides much more light for the greenhouse without wasting light in the rest of the room. And this might just look like a normal lamp, however, it's a grow light, and it even has this to help provide more light to go down here next to this plant and this plant. This one's fake, but these do well over here, and this turns on at 1 o'clock, turns off at 9, so that means I have plenty of time to actually just use this as normal light. But for your setup, I recommend at least having one window so that it provides some supplemental light, or for a few plants it can provide enough light for it to live. And in my room, that's this window. A few plants can survive mostly just off of that. This plant survives kind of both from this and the window, but it's definitely very helpful. But I do get the fact that a lot of people just have plants growing in the closet, and there's definitely no sunlight going in there. So that's where I would recommend you getting a really good grow light like these, or if you want something directly just on all of the plants over here, you're gonna want something like this. Now, you don't have to get a full hydroponic setup for this. I think the important thing is if you have a lot of plants, you need a few different grow lights for supplemental light, the main light, and everything else. Because this provides light pretty decently to everything, but it's not the greatest. So that's where I have this, which is really good light directly on, and it provides a bit of light to this stuff along with that, so in all, it's enough for it to survive. And this does pretty well too with this light. And on this one, there's a lot of light that goes out, but it just goes directly straight down with only 2 plants. This is definitely one of my favorite grow lights for just integrating into your room, because you can literally turn any light bulb into a grow light, and they're super cheap.